Let me tell you the whole history, because the lady told me what happened to this rug. So she purchased this rug in Hong Kong about 20 years ago, and since then she have 2 Yorkie and 1 Maltese, and 3 of them having a field on this rug. However, she called Stanley Steamer, this company, and every one of them, without any knowledge, come over and steam the carpet in the house. So when you're using hot water on silk color rug like this one, the red one will move to the white one easily because it's a hot water. You never wash a brand new red t-shirt with your white t-shirt because you know the color will run. Here it's much more complicated because you have so many colors. So they steam the carpet, and when they steam the carpet, the guy is going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, the same way he's doing wall-to-wall carpet. And what happened is, this is how you can see here. I'm going to zoom on this area so you can see it better. If you will look closer, you can see all this bumping like this one. This is because the fiber just basically push by the steam cleaner, push back and forth, and this is lead to a damage to the fiber. So my suggestion to you, whatever you do, whatever service you're looking to do, Oriental rug is Oriental rug, and Oriental rug need a special service. Each one of the vacuum will produce the suction under the rug. So everything that it's in the rug will go through the rug and fall down to the sewage. This rug, to clean it and remove all the urine odor completely, I have to use the blended minerals from the Dead Sea. Then I put it together specifically for each Oriental rug. And then I have to put this very, very strong vinegar on the rug. Will help to protect the fiber from color run. So when you apply vinegar, you know the color will never run. And it's organic and it's healthy. So then I'm putting also the blended minerals from the Dead Sea here, and all of this cleaning product, all of them together will go through the rug, and even I can put it in my mouth. The taste is really bitter, but trust me, it's not harmful with this product. It's healthy and environment. So now I'm going to open the tube, I flood the rug completely, and the vacuum from under the rug suck everything through the rug. So it's mean everything that is in the rug will go through the rug, will wash it completely, all the pee-pee and everything will fall down. And when I see the tube really dirty, I throw the water and I put a new one. And again, and adding more product. This is how I clean Oriental rug, and this is how can I give it to all my customers. 100% guarantee in writing. No trace of chemicals, deodorize, enzyme. I guarantee it in writing. This is my word, and I'm standing behind it. It's very important. And this time I can see clearly what's coming from the rug. In the beginning, the tube is completely yellowish, brownish color. And when the process progresses, the color will become lighter and lighter till the tube is completely clear. Now I know the rug is almost clean. One more time or twice with the blended minerals from the Dead Sea, then it's odor-free, of course. And now I know for sure the Oriental rug, it's perfectly clean. Final, the blended minerals from the Dead Sea will wash the rug and vacuum through the rug. Now I am sure the rug is completely clean and odor-free. Vacuum the rug by hand. No centrifuge machine. This is Oriental rug. And after this, brushing the rug one way. We let the rug dry on the floor. And the next day, the rug will be shipped back to the customers all over United States. Thank you for watching PetPeePee.